Hey guys, this is Peyton from Brenn-Builds. I just got these sweet fiberglass hoods for my 69 Chevelle right here. I just got them for free off a guy on Facebook. He just gave them to me. These things barely weigh anything. I'm gonna take this OEM heavy ass hood off, put that one on, and see if we notice a difference. Let's do it. Let's pop this hood off. I know this thing's filthy. It's been outside for a couple weeks getting a new rear end. This thing probably weighs 100 pounds. Alright, I'm gonna need your help now. So, this is my 69 Chevelle. It's got 575 wheel horsepower. It's a turbo 5.3 liter LS. Take a gander at this hot rod. Got some junk on it. Fresh back on the road after breaking my axle. I like to zip tie these bad Larrys down when I drive it without a hood. Don't mind Kinley in the background, he's the mascot. He wants his Frisbee, or what's left of it. Alright. Let's see if that hood fits. So we got Jacob behind the camera here, so he's gonna try to film and I'll put it on by myself, see if I can. Rope. Oh, get the hat. I'm gonna have to take those hood springs right off. That looks pretty good though. I think I'm missing the supercharger. Alright, so we got these Mr. Gasket hood pins from O'Reilly's down the road. Let's open these bad boys up and see how they work. It's gonna be like a real old school Chevelle with the hood pins. Alright, we got 2 locking pins. Shiny. Oh man. Look at that. Stick-on trim rings. Don't want to scratch up that fiberglass hood we got there. Nuts. All right, so I'm thinking, I already got a hole here. Got a zip tie in that one. Or maybe here. What do you think? Let's see. That looks about right. We'll have to fine tune it later. Oh man. Don't go that way. What? Okay. I hear you, Hot Rod. Alright, so we tried it in this hole and it doesn't quite line up with where we want it on the hood, so you gotta put it in this hole, but you gotta make a little room. Perfect. So we think the blue one is gonna fit better for this so far, until we figure out how to get the white one on a little better. But here we go. This is what we're thinking. Now it has 4 pins, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. We just have to transfer the where we need to drill. We're gonna drill it, set it. All right, so this is an old school way to transfer locations for something you want to drill onto another thing. We're gonna take a little bit of grease here, put it on the dots. Then when we set the hood on, it's gonna transfer the grease onto the hood and we know right where to drill. Let's do it. This hole is brought to you by Milwaukee.
Not sponsored.
Whoa! Get all that torque. All right, we got 2 out of the 4 drilled, so I think we're looking pretty good. Here, you wanna get this in the video? I don't know how we're gonna get it off, but it's on. This thing fits like a freaking glove. Look at this thing. So we were thinking, what's faster than lightning? Nothing. We're gonna do lightning bolts. Let's see how we got this here. I don't think I've ever been very artistic, but I'm letting the artistic juices flow. Oh yeah, this thing is looking mean. What do you think, Atlas? Don't pee on it. Ah, get off that. All right, I think this is at least gonna add 100 horsepower. What do you think? Uh-oh, the wind's blowing our masking away. Let's see, we figured golden lightning, right here. Doopy color, not sponsored yet. Oh, a little windy here. Got some dog drool in the paint. This is gonna look good. All right. We got the hood on this bad, Larry. We got our $10 lightning bolt paint job. I mean, this has got to add at least 100 horsepower. Let's take it for a drive and see how she does. So I just put the rear end in. So I don't know how the I think I'm just gonna have to lathe a little bit off the brakes by me driving it, center them up a little bit. And I blew a radiator hose yesterday, but I think I got that all straightened out, so I'll just keep an eye on my coolant temp. I don't know if you guys can see that.